In an era where cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the financial landscape, one token stands out with its unique charm and growing popularity: Shiba Inu, also known as SHIB. This whimsical yet powerful cryptocurrency was inspired by the Shiba Inu dog breed from Japan, and has quickly earned a spot in the limelight of the crypto world. Born in the heart of the meme culture, Shiba Inu's playful branding and vibrant community have propelled it to unprecedented heights. From seasoned investors to crypto rookies, the intrigue surrounding this token is widespread and palpable. It's not just a token, it's a symbol of the ever-evolving, dynamic and sometimes unpredictable nature of the crypto space. So why is Shiba Inu capturing hearts and wallets alike? Well, it's not just about the value, but the values it represents: community, transparency, and a dash of fun. Stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of Shiba Inu and its token, SHIB. First things first, what exactly are Shiba Inu and SHIB? Shiba Inu, often simply referred to as SHIB, is a decentralized cryptocurrency that was launched in the year 2020. Inspired by the Japanese dog breed of the same name, Shiba Inu quickly became a favorite amongst the crypto community thanks to its meme-centric branding and vibrant community, earning it the nickname Dogecoin Killer. But SHIB isn't just a meme coin. It serves as the native token of the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange. It's used for a variety of purposes within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, from purchasing goods and services to staking and earning rewards. Beyond its playful branding, Shiba Inu has introduced innovative tokenomics, including burning and redistribution mechanisms to regulate the token supply and incentivize holders. So that's Shiba Inu and SHIB in a nutshell. Now that we understand what Shiba Inu and SHIB are, let's delve into their key features. Unquestionably, the first thing that stands out is the vibrant and active community surrounding Shiba Inu, which is a testament to its popularity. The Shiba Army, as they are fondly called, are the backbone of Shiba Inu's success and are instrumental in driving its growth and acceptance. The second feature that sets Shiba Inu apart is its decentralized nature. Shiba Swap, the native decentralized exchange, provides a secure and transparent platform for trading SHIB and other tokens. Lastly, the tokenomics of Shiba Inu, which include burning and redistribution mechanisms, offer unique incentives for holders. These mechanisms not only regulate the token supply, but also reward long-term holders, making it an attractive option for investors. These features truly set Shiba Inu apart in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies, making it a playful yet impactful player in the crypto space. Beyond its technical features, Shiba Inu has made quite an impact in the crypto community and beyond. The Shiba Inu phenomenon has swept across the globe, leaving a trail of memes, digital art pieces, and even charitable initiatives in its wake. From a humble meme coin, Shiba Inu has evolved into a cultural icon. Its playful and quirky branding has sparked a wave of creativity, inspiring a myriad of memes and art pieces that have reverberated across social media platforms. But Shiba Inu's influence isn't limited to the digital sphere. The community's commitment to charitable causes has been commendable, demonstrating the power of decentralized communities to affect real-world change. In short, Shiba Inu is more than just a token. It's a symbol of the vibrant and dynamic culture that has emerged in the cryptocurrency space. From finance to digital art, Shiba Inu's paw prints are everywhere. Despite its popularity, Shiba Inu faces challenges like any other cryptocurrency, but it also presents exciting opportunities. Just like the unpredictable nature of the crypto market, Shiba Inu has seen its fair share of ups and downs. Market volatility is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity for traders who thrive in such conditions. Regulatory scrutiny is another hurdle. As digital currencies gain traction, they also attract the attention of regulatory bodies, which can introduce new rules that may affect the operation and value of tokens like SHIB. Yet amid these challenges, Shiba Inu stands as a beacon of innovation. Its developers are constantly working on updates and improvements, aiming to increase its utility and value. The community continues to grow, fostering a strong support network for the coin. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, the journey of Shiba Inu is one to watch closely.